Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on TCL 406. To do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being at the bottom right here, and I would guess that that's the main speaker on this device. Next one is located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, so yeah, and there's also a speaker on top right here, so that would actually already confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. But anyway, let's check it the traditional way. So we need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then it's not. So let's try it out. And as is expected, sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that confirms it. This device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.